Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn exactly how to mute a phrase on the X, formerly known as Twitter, app using your PC based on the latest update. Whether you're trying to block out spoilers, avoid certain topics, or simply clean up your feed, this quick guide will walk you through each step clearly. First, open the X app on your desktop. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the More icon. That's the one with 3 dots. This will open a small menu with more options. Next, go down to Settings and Privacy. From there, click on Privacy and Safety to access all the tools that help manage your personal space on the platform. Inside the Privacy and Safety section, you'll see a category called Mute and Block. This is where you control what you see and what you don't. Click that option to continue. Now, go to Muted Words. This is the place where you can add words, phrases, usernames, or even hashtags that you want to hide from your timeline and notifications. Once you're there, click on the plus icon, the button that lets you add a new muted phrase. A small window will pop up. Type in the phrase or keyword you want to mute. Maybe it's a trending topic, an annoying meme, or a show spoiler, whatever you'd like to avoid. Below that, you'll see a few fields. Choose where you want the phrase muted from your home timeline, notifications, or both. Then, set the duration. You can mute it for 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, or keep it muted forever. It's totally up to you. Finally, once you've entered all your preferences, click on Save. That's it. The phrase is now muted, and you'll enjoy a cleaner and more peaceful experience on X. If this helped you, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.